Oh gosh, you guys. Bracha!
Oh no.
Bracha, what you got?
Watch out for the house. Oh no, is there Rabina's house?
30 seconds left.
Don't crash into Rabina's house. Oh.
Dovid, watch the tree.
Oh no, what did you do? She keeps crying. Oh, Dovid.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna
You're not even looking at the road, Dovid.
2 miles remaining. What? Don't hit the tree. Oh my god. He keeps hitting the tree. Oh! Wait, go past that car. Pass him, good. Now go on the street. Go on the street.
Oh! Bracha!
She keeps missing the street.
Dovid, look at the road!
Oh!
Dovid, don't look over here!
You know what the street is? No, not the tree. Oh, she's driving.
Oh, they hit each other.
I think they hit each other.
You got her.
Guys, you guys
Get her. Get her.
Get to this checkpoint.
How do you keep going?
I
They
don't
hit
know.
everything. Dovid, get her.
Oh, we got the house. Oh, this is a tough turn.